Right, let's talk cars, shall we? Not just any cars, mind you, but the fascinating world of how they're made. Forget your fancy gizmos and top speeds for a moment. This is about the nuts and bolts, the sweat and gears that bring those four-wheeled beasts to life. It's a story that stretches back over a century, a tale of ingenuity, ambition and good old-fashioned engineering. Our story begins in the late 19th century, a time when horses were still the preferred mode of transport. Cars, or horseless carriages as they were called, were a novelty. Clunky, unreliable and built by hand in small workshops. Imagine a bunch of blokes tinkering in their sheds, hammering metal and hoping for the best. These were the early pioneers, the likes of Carl Benz and Gottlieb Daimler, who dared to dream of a future powered by engines, not hay. These early cars were a far cry from the sleek machines we see today. They were essentially motorized carriages with wooden frames, rudimentary engines and questionable brakes. But they sparked a revolution. The idea of personal mobility, the freedom to travel at your own pace, captured the imagination of the world. And so, the race to build better, faster and more affordable cars began. Enter Henry Ford, a name synonymous with car manufacturing. Ford wasn't just an engineer, he was a visionary. He saw the potential of mass production, a way to make cars accessible to the masses. His weapon of choice? The assembly line. A simple concept perhaps, but revolutionary in its impact. Before the assembly line, cars were built one at a time by skilled craftsmen. It was a slow and expensive process. Ford's idea was to break down the manufacturing process into a series of simple, repetitive tasks. Each worker would be responsible for a single task, repeating it over and over as the car moved down the line. The result? A dramatic increase in production speed and efficiency. What once took days or even weeks could now be done in hours. The Model T, Ford's brainchild, became the embodiment of this new era of mass production. It was affordable, reliable, and built for the average American. The assembly line transformed the automotive industry, paving the way for the mass production of cars. It also had a profound impact on manufacturing as a whole, influencing everything from consumer goods to electronics. The principles of mass production, efficiency and standardization can still be seen in factories around the world today. The success of the Model T and the assembly line spurred a wave of innovation and competition in the automotive industry. New manufacturers emerged, each vying for a slice of the growing car market. The race was on to build bigger, better and faster cars, pushing the boundaries of engineering and design. The decades that followed saw significant advancements in car manufacturing technology. Engines became more powerful, designs more aerodynamic, and materials lighter and stronger. Mass production techniques were refined and improved, leading to even greater efficiency and lower costs. Cars were no longer a luxury, they were becoming an integral part of everyday life. The rise of mass production also led to the development of global supply chains. Car manufacturers began sourcing parts and components from all over the world, creating a complex and interconnected industry. This globalization of car manufacturing had a profound impact on economies and societies worldwide, creating jobs, driving innovation, and shaping the global landscape. The latter half of the 20th century witnessed another major shift in car manufacturing, the rise of automation. Robots, once the stuff of science fiction, began to make their way onto factory floors. These mechanical marvels, with their precision and tireless work ethic, revolutionized the way cars were assembled. Welding, painting and heavy lifting, tasks once performed by human hands, were now being handled by robots. This increased efficiency and precision, reduced errors and improved worker safety. Car factories transformed into high-tech havens, where robots worked alongside human operators. The introduction of robots, however, wasn't without its critics. Concerns about job displacement and the dehumanization of work arose, yet automation also created new opportunities. As robots took over repetitive tasks, human workers were freed up to focus on more complex and specialized roles, requiring creativity, problem-solving and technical expertise. The automation of car manufacturing continues to this day, with robots becoming increasingly sophisticated and versatile. The factories of the future are envisioned as highly automated environments, where robots and humans collaborate seamlessly to build the cars of tomorrow. Section 5. Global giants shaping the automotive landscape. The automotive industry, as we know it today, is dominated by a handful of global giants. These multinational corporations, with their vast resources and global reach, shape the trends and technologies that define modern car manufacturing. Names like Toyota, Volkswagen, General Motors and Ford are synonymous with cars. They operate massive production facilities around the world, churning out millions of vehicles each year. Their influence extends beyond manufacturing, shaping government policies, driving innovation, and influencing consumer preferences. These automotive behemoths are locked in a constant battle for market share, competing on price, technology, design, and brand appeal. This fierce competition drives innovation, leading to the development of new features, improved safety standards, and more fuel-efficient vehicles. The rise of these global giants, however, has also raised concerns about market consolidation, the influence of big business on government, and the environmental impact of mass production. As the automotive industry continues to evolve, the role of these global players will undoubtedly be subject to scrutiny and debate. Section 6. Material evolution, steel, aluminum and beyond. Cars at their core are a testament to material science. From the early days of wood and steel to the modern era of aluminum, carbon fiber and high-strength alloys, the materials used to build cars have constantly evolved. Steel, with its strength and durability, has long been the backbone of car manufacturing. But its weight has always been a limiting factor, especially when it comes to fuel efficiency. Aluminum, lighter than steel but equally strong, emerged as a viable alternative. It found widespread use in body panels, engine blocks and other components, helping to reduce weight and improve fuel economy. The quest for lighter and stronger materials continues, driven by the need for greater fuel efficiency and performance. Carbon fiber, with its exceptional strength-to-weight ratio, has emerged as a material of choice for high-performance vehicles. Other advanced materials, such as magnesium alloys and high-strength plastics, are also finding their way into car manufacturing. The choice of materials goes beyond weight and strength. Sustainability is becoming an increasingly important consideration. Car manufacturers are exploring the use of recycled materials, bioplastics and other eco-friendly alternatives to reduce their environmental footprint. Section 7. The digital shift. Software at the heart of cars. Remember when cars were all about mechanical engineering? Those days are long gone. Today, cars are as much about software as they are about engines and transmissions. The digital revolution has swept through the automotive industry, transforming every aspect of car manufacturing. Computer-aided design and computer-aided manufacturing have become indispensable tools in the design and production of cars. These software programs allow engineers to create virtual models and simulations, optimizing designs for efficiency, safety and performance before a single piece of metal is cut. On the factory floor, robots and automated systems are controlled by sophisticated software, ensuring precision and efficiency in every step of the manufacturing process. But the software's influence doesn't end there. Modern cars are packed with electronic control units, essentially mini-computers that manage everything from engine performance to braking systems to infotainment systems. This digital transformation has blurred the lines between car manufacturing and software development. Car companies are no longer just assembling mechanical components, they're also developing the software that controls those components. This requires a new breed of engineers, those with expertise in both mechanical and software engineering. Section 8. The electric dream driving towards a sustainable future. The automotive industry is at a crossroads. The internal combustion engine, the workhorse of the industry for over a century, is facing an uncertain future. Concerns about climate change, air pollution and dwindling fossil fuel reserves have fueled the push for more sustainable transportation solutions. Electric vehicles, once a niche market, have emerged as a viable alternative to gasoline-powered cars. Governments around the world are incentivizing EV adoption, while car manufacturers are investing heavily in EV research and development. The race is on to build affordable, practical and desirable electric cars. The shift to electric vehicles has significant implications for car manufacturing. Electric motors, batteries and power electronics replace the complex mechanical systems of internal combustion engines. This requires new manufacturing processes, new skills and new supply chains. The transition to electric vehicles is not without its challenges. Battery technology, charging infrastructure and the environmental impact of battery production are all areas that need to be addressed. But the momentum towards a more sustainable future is undeniable. The electric dream, once a distant vision, is rapidly becoming a reality. Section 9. Autonomous vehicles navigating the road ahead. Hold on to your hats, because the future of driving is about to get a whole lot more interesting. Autonomous vehicles, self-driving cars that can navigate roads without human intervention, are no longer a figment of science fiction. They're real, they're being tested on public roads, and they're poised to revolutionize the way we think about transportation. Developing self-driving cars requires a confluence of cutting-edge technologies: artificial intelligence, machine learning, sensor technology, and high-precision mapping, to name a few. It's a complex and challenging endeavor, with companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Uber vying for supremacy. The potential benefits of autonomous vehicles are vast. Improved road safety, reduced traffic congestion, increased mobility for the elderly and disabled, and reduced environmental impact are just some of the promises of this technology. But the road to fully autonomous driving is paved with challenges. Technical hurdles, regulatory issues, ethical dilemmas, and public acceptance are all significant obstacles that need to be overcome. The transition to a world where cars drive themselves will be gradual, complex, and not without its bumps along the way. But the journey has begun, and the destination holds immense promise. Section 10. The future of car manufacturing, innovation, and beyond. The automotive industry is on the cusp of a new era, driven by rapid technological advancements, evolving consumer preferences, and the urgent need for sustainability. The cars of the future will be smarter, safer, more connected, and more environmentally friendly than ever before. Electric powertrains, autonomous driving capabilities, and advanced materials will become increasingly commonplace. Cars will be more than just modes of transportation. They'll be mobile living spaces, entertainment hubs, and connected devices, seamlessly integrated into our digital lives. The factories that build these cars of the future will be marvels of automation and digitalization. Robots and humans will collaborate in highly flexible and efficient manufacturing environments, using advanced materials and manufacturing techniques to create vehicles that were once unimaginable. The road ahead for the automotive industry is paved with both challenges and opportunities. The companies that can embrace innovation, adapt to changing market dynamics, and prioritize sustainability will be the ones that define the future of mobility. Buckle up, folks. It's going to be a wild ride.